The goal here is to make the pizza as close 7-Eleven. Let's see how it looks. Boom! How they do in America is this. Voila, voila, voila. Take it out, gentle. Wow, we got so close, I can't wait. I don't know how to describe this pizza, guys, but the dough is it's more light, of course. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, look at this where we are, 7-Eleven. Why 7-Eleven? Because it's very particular today's video. It's very interesting, so watch until the end. It's going to be interesting if you are American and if you know 7-Eleven. So today here I have a friend of mine, vieni qua, vieni.
Hello!
Nick Radonia, it's a famous YouTuber
from Italy.
to eat this pizza. Famous YouTuber Italian. So why is here? Because yesterday I saw his video. He went to eat, I don't even know, I didn't know that 7-Eleven have pizza.
Because I'm vlogging here, looking around LA, and I tried
7-Eleven slice pizza. So, I mean, he's staying with me at my house. I say, with my street you're going to eat.
Yeah.
Let's go inside. I'm gonna go ahead and buy 7-Eleven slice, and then after, I'm gonna go ahead and make maybe a better slice if it's better. I don't know.
You must try it.
I mean, from your video it looks like this disgusting. So let's go inside and let's go get this slice. Here is going the oven. Boom, boom, boom. 7-Eleven pizza. It's the first time tasting this pizza in my life of 10 years in the United States. I'm excited, I have to say. There we go, the pizza is coming out. Pizza is coming out. There we go. Boom, 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 voila. So now, ready to go ahead and taste it. The 2 slices of pizza is only $2.86. Thank you so much. Look at this, $2.86. So let's get this slice, and then one for after and one to taste now. Okay guys, here, let's see how it looks. Boom, let's see. This is the 7-Eleven slice. I mean, not sure how it is. I'm pretty hungry, so I'm gonna go ahead and taste this. This is for after, because I'm going to remake it in my house and see if I can make the 7-Eleven pizza maybe in a better way. Guys, first time, look at this, how I hold the pizza. It's a little greasy, so I'm ready. I mean, let me taste the crust. It's all dough. It's fat, greasy. The fat is too much, and then the dough. It's I don't even sure if it's fermented or what. I don't know if it's even fermented. So hopefully I feel good after. Not for me. I don't know how to describe this pizza, guys, but now is my time. Let's go home and let me show you how to make the 7-Eleven slice pizza. And here we go, we got home, and now the goal here is to remake this, yeah, you got it, this slice of pizza, or better, 7-Eleven slice of pizza. So we're gonna keep it here nice and safe, in the safe house right there. All we need, I'm gonna explain you everything, how I made this pizza, or what you need to make this pizza. I call it 7-Eleven. I don't know what kind of style is this pizza, so please tell me in the comment what style is this. Anyway, we got some shredded fresh mozzarella, pepperoni, and then I got some tomato sauce. Basically, because tasting the pizza, I pre-cooked this with a little bit of oregano, pepper, salt, garlic, and a little bit of pinch of sugar. So this is the sauce, how it come out. The smell is the same of it's crazy, but it's very simple to cook it. So this dough, today the dough, it's basically, I'm going to remake this slice of pizza with leftover pizza dough. If you want to know how to make this dough, please check out my channel. I'm gonna link here the video how to make the dough. So these are the 2 balls of pizza dough. But what you do, this is basically overproof dough. It's been 2 days and I don't know what to do. So what I do, or what I did, it's I get 1 ball on top of the other one, and then I go ahead and create again the new ball. So basically we have 500 grams of dough ball. So now we have leftover pizza dough and we have the full dough. And then what I do, I put it in the container, wait 1 hour to 2 hours, and this is how we find the pizza dough. Boom, voila, the leftover pizza dough. So at this point that the dough basically double up, we are ready to go ahead and make the actual pizza. So please, actually before that, I warm up the home oven at a max temperature of 550 Fahrenheit, and here is Maestro Vittorio Copelli remaking the 7-Eleven pizza. So get ready, sit down and watch into the end and smash that like, it's free, and subscribe. So let's start to get the flour. I mix up always 50% of semolina, 60% of regular flour. This dough, I'm very curious how this pizza will come out. So I'm gonna get this one, see, and put a place right there. In 1 hour, 2 hours, it's ready. Remember one thing, this is 500 grams because the dough I saw that is really thick. So a couple of times in the flour, put a little bit of flour on the floor. Just subscribe and you'll learn how to make the best pizza at your house. So get ready, sit down, watch this. So I'm gonna stretch with no crust. So just like that, because this pizza doesn't have any crust, or better, they have the crust, but it's no shape. So I'm gonna try to press it in the same level. So what I'm doing here is I'm just pressing. Just like that, voila, pom, 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 pom. Couple of times more. Voila, take off all the flour. Now, how they do in America is this. Voila, 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 voila. Boom, voila, the pizza is down. See? So voila. So we're gonna go ahead and put some tomato sauce, just like the pizza. You can see that the color is even darker. So now we go ahead like this and put just all around. Voila. Try to go everything. Voila. So what I saw here, let me see. The crust is a little bit gold, so that means that they put a little bit of olive oil on the crust. Now let's go ahead and let's pre-cook the dough before we put the cheese. So we're gonna cook the pizza halfway done because we are cooking the pizza at home. So pinch it and then peel under. Make sure the pizza is big, the same size of the pizza, because 12 inches. So let's go ahead and let's pre-cook the dough. Voila, I'm gonna place it exactly on top of the stone. Oh my God, take a look how it's cooking. Woo! The pizza, it's halfway done, perfect. Take it out, gentle. Wow, we got so close, I can't wait. Take a look at the bottom, it's cooking lovely. Now we're ready to go ahead and make wow, it smells the same. the shredded cheese. Guys, I got everything from, to be honest, I got everything from Trader Joe's, and the sauce too. So let's go ahead and we're gonna put some pepperoni. I see there is not too many pepperoni on the pizza. What they did also, the goal here is to make the pizza as close 7-Eleven. So that's what I'm doing here. Voila. That's it. Not too many pepperoni. Probably they save on food cost. Now is the moment of the truth. Let's go ahead and let's cook the pizza until the mozzarella starts to bubbling. Voila. Go ahead, place the pizza again on there, and we're gonna wait that the mozzarella starts to bubbling. So I set the oven at broil low on. Oh my God, guys! Oh my God, what is coming out? You don't gonna believe your eyes. I mean, watch this. The pizza is ready. Mozzarella starts to bubbling, and wow! Take a look. Boom! I mean, check out this beast. You tell me what you think in the comment now, please. Take a look. Voila. Wow. Oh my God, come out. Crazy. Let's check out the bottom. Let's check out the bottom. Oh, it's hot. Oh my God. Ami, give it a nice first shot on this pizza, please. smells like the 7-Eleven pizza. It's the moment of the truth. So we have to see if this pizza is the same, have the same slice. So let's go ahead. Let's cut this pizza. Oh my God, I can't tell you right now. Listen to the crunch. It's crazy how the pizza come out. So we're gonna make exactly the same slice. Oh wow. First of all, before we compare this pizza, guys, take a look of the air that is inside this crust. Did you see the air that is inside this crust? It's soft, crunchy, the bottom of the pizza come out spectacular. You guys judge in the comment. Guys, now you tell me, I did a good job on making the 7-Eleven pizza at home. It's insane. So now let's go ahead and let's taste it. You want pizza? Guys, I have my daughter too here to taste the pizza with me. She likes to eat the crust, so she's gonna taste it before me. Guys, if you wanna check her out, it's Zoe Kids Toys. Please check it out. You already thumbs up. Let me taste it. Wow, I have to say, I'm impressed on myself, guys, because it came out almost the flavor of the pizza, but the dough it's more light, of course. The dough is more light, and it's really good. I'm gonna finish all pizza. Say bye-bye to everybody.
Bye.
I'll see you soon, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.
Every week, new video, guys. Check it out and try to remake the 7-Eleven pizza by Maestro Video Copelli at your house. Here is everything. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this beast. Amazing, and I'll see you at the next one. Let me put this here on the side. Let's put my slice in the 7-Eleven box, and now here we go, the new 7-Eleven slice of pizza. Make sure you subscribe. Ciao!